These Mediterranean stuffed peppers are saucy, cheesy, and golden baked. Sweet peppers packed with herby rice in a rich tomato sauce. Long grain rice folded through onion, garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, artichokes, and capers. Briny Mediterranean flavor. Soften the onion and garlic in a little olive oil until sweet and fragrant. Stir in the chopped sun-dried tomatoes, artichokes, and capers for a briny Mediterranean punch. Fold through the cooked rice with a pinch of oregano until every grain is glossy. Halve and deseed the peppers, set them over seasoned tomatoes, and heap in the filling. Scatter over the grated cheese, then bake at 180 degrees Celsius until golden and bubbling. Finish with fresh oregano and basil and spoon the rich tomato sauce over each one to serve. Serve them with a crisp green salad. The full printable recipe is linked below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies!